Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be cutting my hair. I heard you guys on my last video, so if you guys saw my last video, I was kind of contemplating whether I needed to cut my hair. That video was actually filmed a long time ago, but yeah, I've been thinking about it for a while, and after all the comments that you guys left on that video, it just really encouraged me to just take that leap and just cut my hair. There's no reason to be holding on to dead ends, and I'm always preaching that length without health really doesn't mean anything and really doesn't matter. Like, it doesn't matter how long your hair is if 90% of it is broken. So I've decided that I'm gonna go ahead and cut my hair, and it's not even the fact that I'm gonna have short hair or shorter hair, because I'm actually not gonna be cutting that much. I want to cut half of my breakage off because I'm not comfortable with going too short. I don't want to be in an awkward length because then styling becomes difficult, and I'm just not ready to deal with that right now. You know, I'm like too busy to be concerned with like having to style my hair, and I need my hair to be easy right now, but I do want it to get it to a healthier place and so that it can bounce back better, because I feel like at this point holding on to the breakage is kind of causing more problems. I feel like I'm having more tangles, and I feel like my hair is breaking more on its own and it's getting shorter and shorter. So I think it's just more beneficial to just cut it at this point. So I think the reason why I was hesitating is because I have invested in my hair for so long. I mean, since I cut it almost 4 years ago, this December would make 4 years since I completely shaved my hair and was growing it back out. It's not even the fact that I'm gonna have short hair that I have a problem with, because I shaved my hair and I didn't have a problem with that. It's just the fact that I invested so much, and then it just all kind of like it all just kind of went to waste, I guess, because of that mistake of sleeping in wigs. And so yeah, it's just kind of a bummer, but I'm trying not to think of it as like a loss. You know, you just kind of live and you learn, and I know now that I'm never ever gonna make that mistake again, and that's why I'm here. That's why I'm sharing my experience with you guys and my journey with you guys, because I want you guys to learn from my mistakes as well. That's what YouTubers are for, and that's the whole point of sharing our experiences. Learn from our mistakes and don't repeat them, and do what is working. So yeah, I'm just gonna be positive about it, and I'm actually really excited. Like, now, since that video, I'm in a much better headspace about this, and I'm more excited to just get my hair healthy, and I'm kind of excited to go shorter. It sucks, but it's like bittersweet. Like, I'm kind of excited to do something new. But yeah, I'm gonna be cutting a good amount. I think what I'm gonna do is guys, it's so bad. Do you see this? Ugh. So I'm gonna put my hair in some sections. Length, but no health. So dead. Like, it's so dead. Do you guys see this? Like, do you guys see how see-through it is? You can literally see that plant through my hair up until like this point. So this is like where all the healthy hair begins. So I'm gonna cut it like halfway, so maybe like to here. It's gonna look pretty dramatic, but it's definitely not everything that I need to cut. So I think I'm gonna cut probably like this much today, and then probably 6 months from now or 3 months from now, I'm gonna do another chop. But that's what we're gonna do for today. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my hair in sections. I think I better go do this off camera. So I'm gonna go do this off camera, and then I'll show you guys how I parted it, because it's kind of hard to see what I'm doing when I'm on camera. So I will be right back. All right, y'all. So I have my hair. I decided to just go with 4 sections. This isn't a trim. This isn't a style. I just really need to get this unhealthy hair off my head as soon as possible. We're gonna worry about it being even and being styled once my hair is actually healthy. But right now, we just need to get some of this hair off. Yeah, so I'm excited. Do you guys see how bad? Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to detangle it. It's already detangled, and actually my hair is in a blown out state right now. I blow dried it like 4 or 5 days ago. So yeah, it's pretty stretched, and that's how I wanted it for a cut. I wanted to really be able to see how much I'm cutting off. So these are the hair shears that I'm using. These are the Goody shears. I just got them from my local drugstore. They were like $12. Okay, so there we go. I'm gonna cut this much. Oh, I'm scared. Let's just do it. Oh my God. Oh my God. I should measure it and see how long it is. I think it's like 3 inches. 3 to 4 inches, I would say, like 3.5. My hair's short again, you guys. Wow. It had to be done. Okay, other side. So I'm cutting about, let me go here. So I'm cutting about this much. Oops. I feel like it already looks better. All right, let's do the back. Oops. Okay. Wow. Y'all, that's crazy. That's really crazy. All right, last section. I cannot see what I'm doing. Did I get it all? Okay, I think I got it all. I'm scared to like take it down and see. But guys, it looks so much healthier already. Wow. Okay. Time for the reveal. Like this just really needs to be chopped off. Like all of it. Like it just needs to be chopped off. This strand is bothering me. Let me not get scissor happy right now. Okay. So this is where we're at. I hope I still left enough hair to put in a bun. I don't know if I left it long enough to still put in a bun. It's not too short. It's like shoulder length, collarbone length, kind of. So it's not too short. It's definitely not perfectly even, but honestly, that wasn't the goal. So I'm just gonna put my hair in a bun or in like a little ponytail. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to achieve a bun, but okay, I can make a tiny bun. It's a small bun, but it's a bun. And all the hair doesn't reach into the bun, so I'll just have to pin it down. But yeah, that's it, you guys. So it's done. And I'm really excited to go on this journey. But yeah, that's kind of where the length is at. Definitely much shorter. Can't fit it in a bun, but that's okay. I'll just have to pin it. And I'm happy that I can still put it in a ponytail so that I don't have to like really worry about styling it, and it's not so much in that awkward stage as much. So that's great. This is all the hair that I cut off. Dead weight. Glad it's gone. And yeah, so yeah, follow me on this regrowth journey, and thank you guys so much for sharing all your stories and all your encouragement and just guiding me in the right direction and letting me know that it's okay to cut it, and you know that it's not a loss just to look at it in a positive light. And yeah, it's a learning opportunity, and I hope that you guys learn from my mistakes, and I'm gonna learn from my mistakes, and that's how we just need to look at these things, because holding on to the dead hair is just a constant reminder of the mistake, and it's just honestly better to just let it go and move on and learn and move on. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please be sure to subscribe. This is the comment of the week. I had so many good comments to choose from. Like that was my favorite comment section out of all my videos. Just everything that you guys had to say was so great. Thank you so much for all your comments. And if you want a chance to have your comment featured in a video, definitely leave that comment down below and I'll be choosing from there. And yeah, that's pretty much all for this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.